Transferring cryptocurrency from Robinhood to an external ledger is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a secure transfer. Step 1. Set up your external ledger. Before initiating the transfer, ensure that your external ledger hardware wallet is properly set up and connected to your computer or mobile device. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to create a wallet and obtain your wallet address. Step 2. Open Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device or access it through a web browser. Log into your account using your credentials. Step 3. Navigate to your crypto portfolio. Once logged in, go to your portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Click on the asset to view its details and options. Step 4. Initiate the transfer. Look for the option to withdraw or transfer the cryptocurrency. Enter the amount you want to transfer and paste your external ledger wallet address. Double check the address for accuracy to avoid losing your funds. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the transaction details, including any fees associated with the transfer. Once you are sure everything is correct, confirm the transfer. You may need to complete additional security steps such as two-factor authentication. After completing these steps, your cryptocurrency will be on its way to your external ledger. Always ensure you keep your wallet secure and monitor your transactions for any discrepancies.